Chapter 12. Need for a house. Key points. Types of houses. Houses in different regions. A good house. Meher, it's raining heavily outside. We are safe from the rain because we are inside a house. Yes, that's why we live in a house. Our house saves us from harsh weather conditions like rain, storm, heat and cold. We all need a house to live in. A house protects us from cold, heat, rain and storms. It also protects us from stray animals, robbers, pests and insects. We all live in a house with our family. There are many other houses near and around our house. Many families live in such houses. Other houses near and around our house make our neighborhood. The people living in these houses are our neighbors. We should live with our neighbors peacefully and help each other in times of need. Types of houses. Long ago, early man lived in caves in the forest. He covered his body with the skin of animals and leaves. He lived in caves and took shelter under the trees. Gradually, he learned to make houses from mud, straw and bamboo. These houses are called huts. Huts are kucha houses as they are not very strong and may easily be broken and blown away by storms and heavy rains. Even today, some people live in huts. They are found in some villages and in some faraway areas like forests. In due course, man learned from his experience and started to build stronger houses made from cement, bricks, iron, steel and concrete. They are called pakka houses. Pakka houses are not affected by heavy winds and rain. There are several types of pakka houses. Bungalows, flats and apartments are some examples of pakka houses. Houses in different regions. Different types of houses are built in different regions. Different houses help people in different ways. Some people often move from one place to another. They take their houses along with them. These are called temporary houses. Tents, caravans and houseboats are examples of temporary houses. Some people live in a place for a long time. They build permanent houses for themselves. Stilt houses. These are houses which are built in the regions where it rains a lot. These are built on poles or stilts which keep the house high above the ground. Thus, the flood water and animals do not enter the house. Such houses have sloping roofs so that the rainwater does not stop on the roofs. The ladder which is used to enter the house is removed during nights. Houseboats. We can see houseboats in Kashmir and Kerala. These houses are built on boats and are also called floating houses. They float on canals and lakes. Let go an extra mile. Tourists visiting Kashmir generally stay in houseboats floating on Dal Lake. Caravan. A caravan is a house on wheels. It can be moved easily from one place to another. It is usually used by nomads. It is also called a travel trailer. Let go an extra mile. A caravan is pulled from one place to another by animals or by a car. Tents. Tents are movable houses. They consist of sheets of fabric or any other material draped over, attached to a frame of poles. We fold them easily as they are made of canvas, leather or cloth. The people who camp in mountains and deserts use this type of house. Igloo. These are houses made of blocks of ice. They are made in the regions like Greenland which are extremely cold. Their dome-shaped structure keeps the people warm inside. Let go an extra mile. The walls of mud houses are very thick. Their roofs are made of thorny bushes. They keep the houses cool and comfortable. A good house. A house may be small or big. We should keep our house neat and clean. Every member should contribute to keep the house clean. There should be no dirt and cobweb in the house. Wipe and mop the floors daily. Everything should be kept back at proper places after using. There should be sufficient doors and windows in the house to allow fresh air and the sunlight to enter. Sunlight keeps the house germ-free. There should be wire mesh on the doors and windows. It prevents flies and mosquitoes from entering the house. Make proper arrangements so that stray animals cannot enter the house. Clean the bathrooms and toilets every day and keep them dry. Keep the dustbins covered. Use a blue dustbin to throw plastic bottles, tin and glassware. Use a green dustbin to throw paper, vegetable peels and leftover food. Dust the furniture of the house every day. Besides keeping the house clean, we should also decorate our house on special occasions like festivals, birthday parties, and anniversaries. We can use flowers, festoons, balloons, leaves, lights and make rangolis to decorate our house. Elder talk. We should keep the surrounding of our house neat and clean as well. We should not dump the waste outside anywhere. We must throw it in the dustbin. Read and recall. We all need a house to live in. A house protects us from bad weather, wild animals, thieves, etc. The houses near and around our house make our neighborhood. The people living in our neighborhood are called our neighbors. Houses can be kutcha or pakka. People live in various temporary and permanent houses according to their needs. Different types of houses are stilt houses, houseboats, caravans, tents and igloos. We should keep our house neat and clean. We should decorate our houses on important occasions such as birthdays and festivals.